Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making the car safe. Park level, handbrake on, battery negative off to avoid shorts. Once the engine is cold, relieve pressure by slowly opening the radiator cap. Do this only when cold. Next, position a 5L drain pan and open the lower radiator drain plug. Let coolant flow until mostly empty. You do this to lower fluid level and prevent spills, and to make access for hose removal easier, so you can work cleanly and safely. Once drained, loosen the hose clamps using a screwdriver or socket, disconnect upper and lower hoses, and tilt them to drain remaining fluid into the pan. If your Audi A3 has transmission cooler lines, disconnect and cap them to avoid contamination. This prevents fluid loss and air ingress. Then unbolt the radiator mounts, typically 2 to 4 fasteners, while supporting the assembly. Make sure fans and condenser are clear, and lift the radiator straight up to. You install the new radiator by lowering it into place, aligning mounts and tightening bolts, reconnect hoses, clamps, fans, and any sensors. Once secure, refill with the Audi-specified coolant mix to the correct level. Make sure to open bleed screws and run the heater on high to purge air. This prevents hot spots. After that, run the engine to operating temperature while watching for leaks and stable temperature. If overheating persists, check for trapped air or a blocked inlet. Bleed again and recheck flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.